Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to collect on-screen keyboard shortcut in industrial PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to collect on-screen keyboard shortcut in industrial PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, type here on screen. After click on on-screen keyboard, right click on screen keyboard, click on open file location. After right click on send to desktop. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to collect on a screen keyboard shortcut in digital PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.